Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got 4 football shirts to show you that I've picked up. I get 4 football shirts every single month. I get 2 for myself, I get 1 for the little lad, and I also get 1 whoever is the Twitch subscriber winner. If you're interested in being a part of that, head over to Twitch, give me a subscribe. It includes the free Twitch Prime as well, so get involved. Links down in the description. Also, I'm going to show you how I order. There has been a big change to where I get my shirts from. I used to get my shirts from BR Fans. They've lost their domain, and now it is the same website, but as you can see, they have changed. They are jfc.com. Now, I keep getting questions constantly about how the website works, how I order, is it safe? So I thought I'd go through a couple of these very quickly and then show you the shirts that I've got for this month. Basically, to order, it is simple-ish. So what you need to do, just let's do one very, very quickly. I'm going to order the Tottenham shirt, Tottenham training shirt, add to cart, proceed to checkout. Right, and here is the first major part of it. So you've got 2 options with postage. This UK Express, I would highly recommend that. It does obviously bump up the quality, the amount of your shirt. You know, you're looking at now sort of like 16, 17, up to £20 for a shirt, rather than it being the standard sort of like 12, 13, £14. The e-packet will get to you. However, it will take anything between 4, 5, 6, up to 7 weeks. UK Express, my shirts generally come in less than 3 weeks. I've never had one that's come longer than 3 weeks. One actually came in 9 days. Okay, so once you've done that, once you've made your choice, continue to payment. All right, and then over onto this bit, a little bit different. They're not allowed to put PayPal on the actual website, otherwise it gets taken down. So what you need to do is you need to message a person who's apparently called Cindy. You need to message them on your WhatsApp. I've been doing this, and loads of people in my Discord group do this on a monthly basis. Go check out the Discord, links in the description. We're constantly talking about, we have a special channel just for buying shirts from here. Basically send them a WhatsApp. They will then respond to you, as long as it's not between the hours of about 10 at night in China and about 5 in the morning. Anytime after that or before that, they will get in touch. They will then send you a PayPal address where you send your money to. It's as simple as that. They will then WhatsApp you a picture of your items. They will also WhatsApp you a delivery code, which is on the obviously the picture, and there you go. Job done. Is it 100% safe? No, like anything from China, there's a chance that it may get lost in the post. To be fair, the customer service is really, really good. So when I've ordered, when I've bought shirts from them, they've been really good in responding when the shirts have maybe not arrived when I thought they would. But on the whole, I have not had a negative experience. I've been buying these shirts on a monthly basis for the past probably, 8, 9 months now. I've got about 30 shirts in here. I've also given out about 20 football shirts as well on the channel, on the YouTube, on the Twitch. So I've made a lot of orders, and touch wood, they have been very, very good. Okay, that is how you order. It takes 6 to 8 weeks for the free postage. Pay that extra postage. It does go up with weight. So if you're paying £4.50 for a shirt, it normally goes up a couple of quid if you end up ordering extra shirts. Okay, it goes on weight. All right, you want to see what I've picked up. Now, Lewis Black, congratulations to you. You were the Twitch subscriber winner. So basically all the people that donate money to me on Twitch via like a Twitch sub or a Twitch Prime sub, they get entered into the free monthly draw. The winner then gets to choose a shirt from Jersey, or JFC as it's now called. Lewis chose this little beauty, which is the Argentina training shirt. Sorry, Lewis, I'm getting it out of the bag. There you go. They are doing a broad range of sort of like concept kits and training shirts. So he went for the Argentina 2022 jersey. Just a training shirt. Nothing on the back. But badge. Embroidered badge. I think that looks pretty damn good. Okay, that's the first one. Now, Ralphie, he doesn't know he's got this yet. He's waiting downstairs. He's gone for a West Ham shirt, a West Ham kit. So with the kit, you don't get socks. There is socks available. They didn't have any West Ham ones this time, so we couldn't get him the full kit. But he does get a shirt and shorts with it. Okay, so I think this cost about £12. As you can see, no bet. I thought they might have Betway on it, to be fair. The badge is there, embroidered badge on. They've also got, you can add additional extras. They're normally about £1. So I got him the No Room for Racism because he's obsessed with the players taking the knee before the game. So there you go. That does feel a little bit thin. And on the back, he's gone for Declan Rice. Once again, a little bit thin. Recommend, if you are going to get a name and number on the back, you keep the washing down to about 20, max 30. I wash all the kits together. Ralphie has used and abused his shirts. The one thing sometimes comes off, if anything, it's the lettering. Out of all the shirts, he's probably got about 20 of these now, and only one so far. To be fair, he's had one shirt that's come off, has started to peel off on the name, and then he's had one pair of shorts where the Adidas stripe has actually peeled off. Apart from that, it's pretty good, but you've got to weigh up, this has cost me £12 for pretty much, and it's also got the number on the shorts, look. That has cost me £12, where in the shops that would cost me £60 plus, especially with name and number on the back. Okay, so just something to consider. Me, I've gone for two usual ones. I was about to start a new save on the channel, and it's no longer going to be, but I think at some point I'm going to have to do it. I wanted to bring Marcelo Bielsa's style of football back to Argentina and back to where it all began for him. So I've ordered, put that there a little bit better. I've ordered a Newell's Old Boys shirt from this season. Once again, embroidered badge. A pretty basic design. It was literally just because I wanted to do a save with Newell's Old Boys. If you would like to see me do a save on Newell's Old Boys at some point, let me know down in the comments. I've got it there ready and waiting. It could potentially be a stream save. It could potentially be a long-term save, potentially for FM23. Let me know down in the comments. And then, because on Twitch, every Saturday night, by the way, I am running a Italian journeyman. We've started at the bottom. We've started in Serie D with Aspria Racing Club. Struggling at the moment, but I wanted to wear a shirt, and I've got a few shirts already. I've got an Italian one, Italian 91. However, this is probably my favourite Italy shirt of all time. It is the Italy Euro 96. Look, let's go this way. Look at that. That is a shirt and a half. The quality on these retros, by the way, this is also from BR Fans, or Jersey FC. The quality is absolutely insane. We've got an embroidered fair play badge there. We've got an embroidered Euro 96 badge there. The badge is embroidered. I think this one's cost me, let me just check. How much did this one cost me? It cost me £15.31. And I forgot at the bottom, it also has Italia. Definitely wearing that Saturday night live stream. Go check me out over on Twitch. We're going to try and get the Italy national job, but that is an absolute beauty. Size-wise, I'm a bit of a medium, but because I've got a little bit fat over the past years and it's all gone to my belly, I just size up a little bit. So this is a large. I'm probably a large. Fans versions and retro versions are more truer. The player versions are a little bit slimmer, and then you just got to size it up. So I know Nike, what I am, Adidas, Puma are generally in sort of like the real genuine shirts are generally a little bit smaller as well. So just something to pay attention. If you are interested in asking any questions, you're a bit scared about ordering, jump in my Discord, links down in the description. There's loads of lads on there that'll give you advice about when to order. We also talk about what orders are coming, and if anyone has any problems, because I know them quite well, I could potentially sort you out as long as you're in my Discord. So go check it out. Links in the description. That is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next month. We'll do one of these every month just to kind of just show what I'm up to. People generally like these. Well done to Lewis, Twitch subscriber winner for March. Going to draw the April one out very, very soon. All right, guys. Take care. See you later.